Ever wonder how some brands always post the perfect content at the perfect time and go viral overnight? The secret is AI. AI is transforming social media marketing by saving time, boosting creativity, and delivering results. First, content creation. Tools like ChatGPT, Jasper, and Canva Magic Write can generate captions, blogs, and ad copy in seconds. AI even analyzes trends and suggests fresh ideas so you never run out of content. Next, personalization. AI studies user behavior and delivers posts that feel custom-made, increasing engagement and conversions. Then there's social listening. AI scans thousands of comments and reviews, telling you exactly what your audience loves, hates, and what trends are worth joining. AI also handles automation. Schedule posts at the best times and use AI chatbots to reply to DMs and keep your audience engaged 24/7. Finally, optimization. AI tools analyze campaigns in real time, showing what works and suggesting improvements. No guesswork, just results. AI isn't replacing creativity, it's supercharging it. Start using AI tools today to stay ahead of the competition, grow faster, and make your social media strategy smarter. If this helped, hit like, subscribe, and drop a comment on which AI tool you want me to cover next.